Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. This is Russell, also known as Wix BMW, and we're here in the F80 M3. I have a special video for you guys. Shout out to LONZO work. He's going to be helping us install the F1 style diffuser. So stay tuned in today's video, and I can't wait to show you guys the whole process. This car is so quick, guys. All right, we made it to our friend LONZO's shop. Here, let me show you guys the diffuser, how it looks right now. So the diffuser is destroyed. Literally the under tray is gone, and look at it. They literally pulled it out so far back. All right, guys, let me show you the diffuser we have here. This is a one-piece F1 style diffuser. So it has a brake light. It's gonna be replacing the broken one and go all the way across. I can't wait to see how it looks. I don't think I've seen a F80 with it just yet in Austin yellow. So we get started on removing this piece right here, guys. We have Alex helping out. Damn, this diffuser got messed up. Look underneath there, destroyed. We have one of the screws bent. Damn, look at Lonzo rolling in his little chair.
I can't keep my balance.
Oh shoot!
Man, look at me. I'm such a good camera woman right here. I just follow you on this chair.
Just like that, it is destroyed. At the end of this video, I'm gonna step on it.
It's the walk of shame.
Alright, guys, so we're trying to figure out what we're gonna use to tap in the diffuser to this, but we don't know exactly what all these wires do. But we're gonna figure it out and let you guys know if you guys are curious. But we're gonna let Lonzo do his work. So we're marking it up right now, guys. We're trying to keep this side flap here. And the good thing is it tucks right in. So if you guys are trying to keep the same setup so it goes all the way around, it tucks in. Oh, boom.
Took some paint off though.
Honestly, that whole Vegas experience was so fun. Dude, there's a whole bird there. Have you seen that before?
Yeah, once.
We gotta still figure out this wiring right here. So this is how it looks. We drilled the 2 points, one here, and the same on the other side. We put a little washer so it's more snugged and secured. Yeah, this thing's not going anywhere, guys, but we're gonna wire this up and see how the brake light looks. I'm so excited to see. We got Alex here. How do you like the diffuser so far?
I love it. I like it better than the other one, I think.
You don't like this one?
I like the light.
This diffuser?
It still didn't bring.
Oh, this diffuser? This?
It's still the same.
But 20 bucks, guys, whoever wants a brand new PSM style diffuser. Alright, we have Alex brooming, cleaning up Lonzo's shop right now. We're taking off the 3M tape on the little side piece here. Alright, you guys, so side fins are 3M taped up so it flows. You see how it's poking out a little bit? It's gonna poke out a little bit up here too, and it goes all the way through. So both sides are mocked up. Has a little bit of airflow here, but looks really, really nice. Alright, you guys, everything is bolted down and secured. It's not going anywhere. Shout out to Alex for bringing food. But last step, guys, everything's secured. We're gonna unveil this little tail light here so we could wire through and connect them. We'll finally see how this looks, guys. Super excited. In and out brake, guys. We're all chilling here. Delicious. This looks so good. Danny showed up with his car, matching yellow.
Never thought of, but like, I'm sure you like, have experiences.
Alright guys, we looked at the car. Now back to working on this. So we're gonna take off this little tail light here, unscrew the two, and we're gonna expose this section so we can funnel the wires from there, funnel it up through here, and get it all connected. So once the tail light is removed, it's gonna funnel the wires all the way through so it goes up right into there. Look at him concentrated. He's cooking right now. We're testing it, guys. Braking. Mission failed. We're gonna try wiring again. Alright guys, let me show you the two tail lights on these cars. They both have heart tail lights and they're both sparkling. Looks so cool. Made by LONZO Works himself. You can see him cooking over there. Hard at work. Oh my god. That's so cool. You pressed it once? Wow, this looks insane. So there's a light down there, light up there, and the tail lights. Patching everything back.
We're busy.
I know.
It's a nice view you have there. But the F1 cell diffuser is finally on and secured. We're gonna double check the wiring one more time to see if anything's poking through. But it's perfect. It just looks so sleek and nice. We're trying to move the car out. That looks good. This is how it looks with the lights off during the day. Look at the way it's flashing, guys. Literally F1 car right here. Alright guys, just like that, the F1 cell diffuser is installed. If you guys like today's video, please like and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about that F1 cell diffuser. Would you guys do it on your car? Would you guys not? What type of diffuser you guys think you should do? Don't run PSM, guys. PSM diffuser will break. And I'll see you guys in the next video.